As the seasons change, many Austin homeowners start to think about freshening up their living spaces. Whether it's spring cleaning, preparing for the holidays, or simply tackling the clutter that has built up over the year, seasonal decluttering can feel overwhelming. Closets overflow, garages fill with unused items, and attics become storage for things you no longer need. That's where professional cleanout services in Austin come in. Booking a cleanout team can make seasonal decluttering easier, faster, and far more effective. Here's why it's worth considering. Save time and energy. Decluttering on your own often means days, or even weeks, of sorting, lifting, and hauling unwanted items. Cleanout professionals handle the heavy lifting and logistics for you. Quick turnaround. A project that could take you an entire weekend might take a crew just a few hours. No hauling stress. You don't have to rent a truck or figure out where to dispose of bulky items. More time for you. Instead of battling clutter, you can enjoy your newly refreshed space or spend time with family. For busy Austinites, the time savings alone make cleanout services a smart investment. Eco-friendly disposal options. Austin is known for being eco-conscious, and many cleanout services reflect that commitment. Rather than dumping everything in a landfill, professionals sort through your items to determine what can be donated, recycled, or repurposed. Donations. Usable furniture, clothing, and appliances often go to local charities. Recycling. Electronics, scrap metal, and other materials are diverted from landfills. Proper disposal. Hazardous items are handled responsibly, in line with city regulations. By booking a cleanout service, you not only reclaim your space but also support Austin's sustainability efforts. Decluttering without the overwhelm. Many people start seasonal decluttering with good intentions but quickly get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of stuff. Cleanout services bring order to the chaos by providing a structured process for sorting and removal. Handling bulky, awkward, or heavy items you can't easily move yourself. Offering guidance on what should be tossed, recycled, or donated. Having a team on your side makes the process less stressful and ensures it actually gets finished. Improved comfort and organization. Clutter isn't just inconvenient, it affects how you feel in your home. A clutter-free environment can make rooms feel larger and more open. Reduce stress by eliminating visual chaos. Improve organization so you can find what you need faster. Whether it's clearing out the garage so you can finally park your car inside or organizing closets for the new season, a professional cleanout helps your home function better and feel more welcoming. Flexibility for every season. Seasonal cleanouts look different depending on the time of year. Spring. Clear out winter gear and freshen up your living areas. Summer. Organize outdoor spaces and garages. Fall. Declutter before the holiday rush and cooler weather. Winter. Make room for new gifts and prepare your home for the year ahead. No matter the season, cleanout services can be tailored to your specific needs. Boosting home value and appeal. If you're planning to sell your home or simply want to improve its appearance, seasonal cleanouts are a great step. A decluttered home looks more spacious, organized, and attractive to buyers. Even if you're not selling, you'll enjoy a more polished look that makes your home feel brand new. Final thoughts. Decluttering is one of the most rewarding ways to refresh your home, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. By booking cleanout services in Austin, you can save time, reduce stress, and ensure items are handled responsibly. From eco-friendly disposal to improved comfort and organization, the benefits go well beyond simply clearing out clutter. This season, instead of putting off the task or struggling through it alone, let the professionals help. You'll enjoy a cleaner, more organized home and reclaim the peace of mind that comes with a fresh start.